Hi all. So this is just a quick video where we would be discussing CMP upgrades for CB1, so that in case you are referring to the old material, you are aware of the changes that have happened for 2022 exams. So I hope every one of you is proceeding well with your subject. But it is very important to note the upgrades for 2022 examinations. This is important because if you are referring to the old material and if you are not taking into consideration the changes, then you may not be aware of the new questions that you will get in exam. And there have been significant changes in the subject for 2022. So make sure that while referring to the old material, you have watched this video very well. जो भी new changes हुए हैं, जो भी updates हुए हैं, so for example, if you have 2019 acted material, in case you have ordered the new material from II or IFOA, it works well with you, then you don't have to consider too much on the changes because those changes will already be there in the material. But in case if you're referring to the old material, that is 2019 acted material, then there are certain updates that you have to refer to. So जो भी updates हुए हैं, for example if there is something new that is there or if something is deleted, तो जो भी new चीजें आई हैं वो if CMP upgrade वाले section में वो new चीजें होती हैं, तो you don't need to worry about the new sections that have been included. Those are available for free, the sections that, and we will be while in our classes or our videos, so we will take these changes into consideration. So just make sure that it is not one or two changes that have happened in the subject. There are significant changes in the subject and you don't have to worry about those changes. These will be automatically included as in when we are doing different chapters. So all the classes and all the videos will be updated as per the changes that have happened. So the first change that has happened, if I talk about 2022 upgrades, then the first change that has happened in, there was not a topic of social enterprise in chapter 2. Now this is a new topic that has been included in chapter 2. This is basically a new section that has been included in chapter 2 which talks about social enterprise. So first change is related to social enterprise topic. Next, very important topic, offshore investment funds. अब चैप्टर 3 टैक्सेशन वाले चैप्टर में हमारा ऑफशोर इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड्स नहीं होता था. सो दिस इज अगेन अ न्यू टॉपिक व्हिच हैज बीन एडेड व्हिच वाज नॉट देयर अर्लियर. चैप्टर 4 जिसमें हम डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स की बात करते हैं, इसमें SP5 से बेसिकली काफी सारी सिक्योरिटीज आई हैं. सो देयर इज न्यू सिक्योरिटी लाइक एसेट बैक्ड सिक्योरिटीज which is a part of course now. Then you have covered bonds. Again, these two things were there in SP5 earlier, but now they have been included as a part of the chapter 4 only. Next is bank share capital. So again, these are three new securities which have been added to the course. Then chapter 5, again SP5 से private equity and private equity fund section has been included here. अब मान लो आपको प्राइवेट इक्विटी का क्वेश्चन आ जाता है एंड यू आर जस्ट रेफरिंग टू द नेट बिकॉज यू आर नॉट श्योर कि व्हाट इज प्राइवेट इक्विटी, दैट मींस यू आर नॉट अवेयर कि हाँ प्राइवेट इक्विटी हैज बीन एडेड टू द कोर्स नाउ. सो अगर अभी तक आपने सब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट नहीं भी किया है तो बिफोर इवन स्टार्टिंग द सब्जेक्ट जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट यू हैव वॉच्ड दिस वीडियो थॉरली व्हिच एक्सप्लेन्स ऑल द अपडेट्स दैट हैव हैपेंड. लाइक लेट्स सपोज अगर आप चैप्टर 2 अभी तक कर चुके हो एंड यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ द सोशल एंटरप्राइज सेक्शन, then go back to the chapter and make sure that that section which has been added new, you have covered that particular section as well. Then chapter 7 में new section has been added on peer to peer lending. नाउ चैप्टर 13 पे आते हैं. अब इसके बाद चैप्टर 13 में क्या होता था, पहले इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के अकाउंट्स हम लोग डिस्कस करते थे. अब क्या है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम इंश्योरेंस कंपनी अकाउंट्स वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग बैंकिंग कंपनी अकाउंट्स एज वेल. अर्लियर बैंकिंग कंपनी अकाउंट्स वर नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ कोर्स. चैप्टर 16 हैज बीन रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम कोर्स नाउ, लेकिन इसका जो कंटेंट है दैट हैज बीन एडेड टू चैप्टर 14. So क्या content add हुआ है when we will be doing chapter 14, I will discuss at that time. As of now you just have to understand that chapter 16 content has been removed from course and that content has been added to chapter 14. Make sure to do only the relevant content. ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरा chapter 16 उठ के chapter 14 हो गया है. सो एक रेलिवेंट कंटेंट चैप्टर 16 का चैप्टर 14 में आ गया. सो मेक श्योर ओनली टू कवर द रेलिवेंट कंटेंट. चैप्टर 15 के अंदर भी चेंजेस हैं. न्यू मटेरियल ऑन सस्टेनेबिलिटी and carbon emissions report. So sustainability वैसे भी especially from IFOE perspective is extremely important. So new material in chapter 15 related to sustainability and carbon emissions report. Then chapter 18 में section on diversity which is not there earlier has been included. So this section has been added. Chapter 22 में deletions हुई हैं. क्या डिलीट हुआ है? बेसिकली there used to be a section on analysis of risk. This has been deleted from the course. There used to be a section on investment submission. Again, this has been deleted from course. And evaluation of NPVs. These three things are no longer in chapter 22 now. So जब आप read कर रहे हो अगर 19 के material से, then make sure you are not reading the unnecessary material. So these are the changes basically from 2021 material to 2022. तो अगर आपने 2021 से 2022 में ये changes है, लेकिन let's suppose आपको 2021 के changes के लिए अगर आप aware नहीं हो, तो I can do just a quick revision of 2021 changes. So 2021 में chapter 14 में basically this like let's suppose 2019 से 2021 में क्या changes आए हैं. Chapter 14 में एक new ratio include हुई है, that is return to equity ratio. Chapter 6 से hire purchase agreement का topic remove हो चुका है. So you don't have to do this topic related to hire purchase agreement. Chapter 5 and chapter 20 में एक topic हुआ करता था scrip issues. You can be asked a bit about it, but not the details related to scrip issues. So scrip issues is not a part of course now. Next, warrants is not a part of course now. But I believe in revising some of the questions related to warrants and scrip issues just for general understanding, because because in fact even we are not sure कि ठीक है हाँ ये delete तो हो चुका है, but still sometimes deletions and updations take time to edit in the paper. So in case you are planning from II, तो at times II में वो चीज़ आ जाती है which has been deleted from the course. And so just to be on a safe side, although you're not supposed to do in details warrants and scrip issues, but yes, you should know these things just for general understanding purpose. And chapter 1 में section on ethical considerations has been added. So why I'm doing this is, so that means अगर मैं nutshell में आपसे बात करूं, in case you are referring to 2019 material and you are preparing for 2022 examinations, so there are changes in chapter 1 basically related to ethical considerations. There are changes in chapter 2 of the topic social enterprises. There are changes in chapter 3 related to offshore funds. Chapter 4 asset-backed securities, covered bonds and share capital, which was not there earlier. Chapter 5 private equity and private equity funds, which was not there earlier. Chapter 6 में hire purchase agreement remove हो चुका है. One more thing that I missed in chapter 15 वो chapter 5 scrip issues से related content को बहुत ज़्यादा detail में अब आपने नहीं करना. Chapter 7 में section on peer-to-peer lending has been added. 8, 9, 10, 11 as such कोई significant changes नहीं है. Then coming to chapter 13 insurance company accounts के साथ साथ banking company accounts भी होगा. Chapter 14 में chapter 16 का कुछ content आ चुका है, plus आपकी return to equity ratio new है. Then chapter 15 में sustainability and carbon report emissions का material आया है. चैप्टर 18 में डाइवर्सिटी का टॉपिक आया है. चैप्टर 22 में डिलीशंस हुई हैं रिलेटेड टू सेक्शन ऑन एनालिसिस ऑफ रिस्क, इन्वेस्टमेंट सबमिशन एंड इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ एनपीवीज. So considerable changes हैं because basically again exam is application oriented, exam is theory based. So if you skip any of these changes, there is high chance that you get a question on this. So just make sure that you are referring to these changes very well. So that was it from my side. Thank you.